Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your password in Snapchat. First, you have to launch your Snapchat app, and then in the top left corner of your screen, there's your profile icon. Tap on that option. And over here, you have to tap on the top right corner of the settings icon. And what you have to do is you have to select the password option over here on the bottom of the Snapchat Plus. And to set a new password, you have to enter your current password. So type down your password, and if you have forgotten your password, you also have an option to change or reset or recover your password. So after that, tap on the continue, which is on the green font, and you can set a good password by using combination of lowercase and uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols. So simply type down your new password and confirm your password again. And after that, there's an option that says save. Tap on that green option. And after that, you'll be setting a new password in your Snapchat. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.